Well, I am very happy. These are the finest judges in the country, and they have made a decision, and those decisions may be not to the liking of the government, but the fact of the matter is that this was necessary. The licenses have been ordered to be quashed, and two, that as far as Mr. Chidambaram is concerned, the court has said that the trial court is now free to decide on this matter, since I am already pursuing the matter there. And third is that as far as the monitoring is concerned, the CVC will look at it.
Okay.
I think it's a major step forward for us in the war against corruption.
Oh, okay. What's the step ahead, Mr. Swamy? I mean, just give us some flavor about what would happen next, because for some of these companies in which the licenses have been cancelled, has there been any kind of mention about that, or that will be decided later?
They've been given 4 months to do the needful, and so therefore, and some of them are being fined. I think Swan and Unitech have been fined, and they've also said that the proceeds from the auctioning procedures the profit some of it should go for legal aid, and some of it should go to the ex-defense personnel.
So there's been no talk of any kind of refund that came through from the license fee?
What?
So there hasn't been any mention of a refund on the license fees?
License fee, the license fee has to be decided by the market principles.
Right. Mr. Swamy, how do things go forward from here? Because a lot of companies actually started off business post the allocation of these licenses. Some of them, of course, as you pointed out, they Tata, Unitech, DB Realty, which have been penalized, and those numbers are out. But what happens to the operations that some of these companies actually initiated or started off on the allocation of these licenses?
First of all, they've got 4 months, and they can always offer to pay the market price and continue with their license. And I don't think that they have laid down any strict procedure as to how those who have got the licenses, how they can continue. I think only when you read the full order, you would know they only read the operational part. But this is what came out of it.
Mr. Swamy, just one word really, if you have some updates on that. For a lot of people who are already subscribers to some of these services, what happens there?
No, as I say that there's not going to be interruption in any services. Not only that, those companies which are in the clear, you can always transfer your number to those services. There's the intra-service transfers allowed. There are many alternatives available.